Hey, what's up? I'm working on an interview and see if you can hear this. There's like a horn honking in the background. I'm going to show you how I'm going to get it out.
And so the companies that I started, Wonder Beauty being one of them, there's
Someone's
no
really
I in
angry.
Wonder Beauty because we are a team.
All right. It's all in this region right here. Let's take that into iZotope. I already saved it as honking horns, but basically, convert to new file, honking horns 3B. I'm just going to X that out. Come over here, honking horns 3B, open with iZotope RX6. Okay. Now, you see these little lines here? I suspect because I've already looked at this once before making this video, that those are the honking horns. But anyway, let's listen.
I loved about the culture that
Beep.
it was all about
Beep.
teamwork. So they
It's
used
like a
to
chirp.
always say, there's no
And right
I
here.
named and started. Wonder Beauty
Beep,
being one of
beep.
them. There's no
All right, so I have a little brush tool here, attenuate. So I've got spectral repair. Attenuate, I have it set to 2D, which means it's going to repair based on noise profile from above and to the sides, I think. That's how I understand it. And then I'm just going to go into each little, I'm going to hold shift so I can add more spots where I know there's a horn chirp, lots of road rage. All right. Get out of there. Oh my goodness. Where'd you go? Let's listen now. All right.
philosophy and adopted from my hierarchy. About the culture that everyone was really smart. I loved about the culture that it was all about teamwork. So they used to always say, there's no I in Goldman Sachs. And so when I named the companies that I named and started, Wonder Beauty being one of them, there's no I in Wonder Beauty because we are a team.
There's still a little bit of that meh, because
we are.
It's right there. Crossfade. Let's see if that's better.
Because we are.
What did it sound like before? Maybe I can just do it like this. And then bring everything over.
There's no I in Wonder Beauty because we are a team. Wonder Beauty because we are.
There we go. There you have it. Got rid of that horn honking. Road rage, be gone.